Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to repair Windows Defender issues in Windows 10 or 11. So let's begin. First, if Windows security won't open, it's often due to damaged protection related files. What we can do is do a SFC scan now. This will check and repair those files to restore full functionality. Go over here, click on the Windows icon, type CMD, command prompt, make sure to run as the administrator. A new window will show, then you just need to type SFC scan now. Okay? Then your computer will automatically scan your PC and automatically repair those damaged or corrupted files. Once done, you can now go ahead, close this, restart your computer. Since those files has been repaired and uh, restored. Once you've restart your computer, everything should now be fixed. So you're done. I hope you found this video very helpful.